What type of cough do you have? This one's serious. A dry cough involves no phlegm or phlegm that's stuck. A wet cough involves bringing up phlegm. Phlegm colours can vary from normal colour white to infection, green and yellow. More serious colours are brown, showing infection or blood, and red for pure blood. A wheezing cough is a whistling or high-pitched sound. It is most likely caused by asthma, often with a tight chest. A severe coughing fit could be caused by a whooping cough. Non-infectious causes include medications like blood pressure monitoring, reflux or allergy. What to do about your cough? Stay tuned for part 3.